I'm so happy. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I hope you'll stick around, okay? Let's just get into that, okay? Because I actually bought some nice pieces on Killstar. They had sale. I just had to buy some stuff. Obviously, I just couldn't resist. And there's so much to show you. So the first one is Magician Tunic in black. I love it. I love it. When I saw it on the website, I was like, because this is not a new piece, you know, so I saw it for many times, and every time I looked at it, I was like, I really like that, but I'm not quite sure if that will be good for my body shape or my style. Because do you know what? Some of their shapes, like shape of the garments, they are so weird, and sometimes I don't know how to wear it at all. And that one belongs to one of these weird shapes. Yeah, so let me show you how that one looks. That one is actually so wide, like really wide. Because this one is, do you know what I mean? Like it's like a trapeze. you know what I mean? This kind of a shape, and it has this little bit longer pieces over here going just right, like down your hip, and very tight sleeves, and they're actually. Okay, they look really tight. I hope I'm gonna fit in. Oh no, I should be fine. Because do you know what? As I remember, I think I took size small in that one. Yes, this is size small because they didn't have anything bigger. So I had to take whatever they had, but I really like the pattern. And what that one says, don't believe everything you think. I have it on so many clothes, like seriously, I think Killstar should think a little bit more about all of this, you know, quotes they have on clothes. That would be so cool if they have different one for different piece. Do you know what I mean? I know it's like a lot of work, but this is their job. Do you know what I mean? All right, so what we've got next, the next one is, oh my God, I'm gonna butcher that name. A Zayaban long sleeve top. Zayaban? I don't know. I will show you in the moment on the label. It's just so weird. That one is very strong. Plastic bag. Let's see. Let me show you the name first. So, that is the name. I don't know how you can read it. If you know, please let me know in the comments. Because sometimes they're coming up with these names, and I'm just like, where did you get it? Like, where did you find it? It's just, probably they just made it up. Not thinking how people will pronounce it, but that's fine. Oh, okay. So that one is like a plain black top. And this one is made with this, like a very stretchy fabric. It's like a little bit different than normal Killstar fabrics. They're not plaid, they're not just jersey. It's a little bit different. And it has this breast hole over here, so it just starts right around there. And little, oh, it actually says Killstar over here. This is so cute, I like that. So that one says Killstar as well. And it has like a roll neck, which is so nice because, to be honest with you, I don't know how, but I didn't notice that on the website that this will be like a roll neck. But I like it because I really like roll necks. And that one is also the long sleeve. And please be a thumb hole, please be a thumb hole. Yes, it has it here. Yes. I like the idea of plain tops like that because this is something you can wear anywhere with everything. You can match it with anything. And this is so cool because that will go with trousers and dungarees and I don't know, leggings, skirts and stuff like that. What's next? What's next? We've got a Dominia mesh tunic. Actually, this one I've seen on some, scissors again. I've seen on some YouTube video. Someone was making the review of that particular tunic. And I really liked it. I really like the idea because that one is a mesh tunic. So you can wear it over anything and everything. And it's gonna give you just like, you know, like a statement accent on your clothes, but you can still see everything what's underneath, which is so nice. Look at that. It's like, it's really huge, that one. Look. is like so big, but also it's cut in a way that it's shorter in the middle. Do you see that? And then it's a little bit longer on the sides. And it has holes for your arms over here. So it's like going down on your shoulder just a little bit like that. And I really like that. And also that one is like really stretchy. Very stretchy. And this is very small because they didn't have my size at all. That one is actually extra small. I was a little bit concerned because obviously normally I'm medium. So I was like, I don't want to buy something which is on sale as well and not be able to wear it, especially when I love it. You know, I just want to buy it and wear it straight away, not being just like return, exchange, sell or whatever. But that would be good for me. Like, it's actually huge. That one says, you will be too much for some people. Those aren't your people. Yeah, I know that already, but this is actually true. Did I read the last one? I think I didn't. What says the other one? Oh, may your laundry remain as black as your heart. I really like that one, actually. What's next? What's next? Mia Poet Blouse. Oh my god, I was waiting for it for so long because I already have one top from Killstar, which is made from exactly the same pattern and the same fabric. And that one is called Imogen top. And this is like another version of this top, but that one is with the long sleeve. This one is so magical. Let's see how it looks in the real life. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Look how beautiful that one is. Look at that. This is so cute. And do you know, on the website, I fell in love with that because that one was on that model who was in the forest somewhere and she was carrying the candle, I think. And she had this witchy hat, exactly the same like this one, or a little bit smaller or something like that. And she was wearing this with this candle, and it was so mystical and nice, so magical. I loved it. And this fabric, guys, I mean, if you like velvety things, stretchy, very comfortable, you will love that. Like, seriously. And this is why, precisely why I bought this top, because it's just like so nice and stretchy. And also this pattern, it's almost like, what is the name for it? Like a damask pattern, you know? So this is how it is. And this one has this wider sleeves over here, a little like a elastic part around your wrist. So it makes it look very like medieval, you know? I just can't wait to wear it. And I like the fact that it has this opening over here. Do you see that? It's like this, like a string, how you call it? Like a string? I don't know, it's just a string, with the open décolletage over here. It's like so nice and feminine. And this is tunic, which I like because sometimes I have these days when I don't feel like, you know, like my best shape, you know what I mean? Like I feel a little bit more bloated or just like slightly less attractive than the day before, you know, we all have these days. And this is so cool because that one and things like that, they hide it. Like even when you are bloated and not just feeling bloated, that's just gonna hide it. All right, so this time I also took some other pieces, not only clothes, and I love it. I took these fridge magnets called It's a Spell fridge magnets, and they are so cute and they're actually huge. Like I didn't expect it to be so big. Let me show you one by one. They're not that heavy actually. I was pretty sure they would be very heavy, but they're not. So I've got like a set of 4 of them. It's like 4 of them in the set. Look how cute they are. Look at that. How nice that is. Oh, it's like a little book of spells and a little pentacle. And then I've got also this potion bottle and a witch's hat. This is so nice. These are so cute, like seriously. And the idea, you know, of the black and purple somehow, you know, makes it very, very magical. I like it because you know what? They could easily make it like a black and red because that's, you know, one of these color combinations that work with alternative stuff in general. But I actually think I prefer this one, especially in the fridge magnets. They're so nice. Oh, hello there! I'm so happy now. So I always have like an iced coffee every time, like like from March and April. This is like a normal time for me to order iced coffee instead of the normal one, you know. And I don't like the idea of taking, you know, these plastic cups like every single time I go there. So I decided to buy myself just like a reusable cup for this iced coffee. It was so nice. I like it, and it's actually very big. So I hope they're not gonna have like a very big problems of making me drinks in that, but this is so huge! What is that? It's like 700 milliliters or something. It is, right? It's not gonna be like, definitely not half a liter because it's much bigger. This is, look, it goes with me so well. Oh, the last thing. So this is the thing I really wanted to buy for a long time, but at the beginning I decided to buy a backpack from the same series, but I kind of need a bag as well. Do you know what I mean? This is so nice. Oh yes. Okay, so this is Beetlejuice in the back, okay? And I'm a very big fan of Beetlejuice and everything Tim Burton related, so obviously I just had to buy it. Never trust the living handbag. Yes. And you know, already I have the backpack from the same, like a mini backpack from the same series. Oh my god, that is so nice. You know what? This is the piece that you can find on so many different YouTube videos, like everywhere, because people are buying that bag like crazy. I have the feeling like almost everyone has this bag, like seriously. So now I'm in the majority, okay? I don't know, but so cool that is. Let me check the quality because I'm so happy with my backpack. And I was like, when bag is like almost the same quality, I will be so happy with that, but it is. Oh my god, it's so nice. So let me show you. Let me show you the close-up. Obviously, we've got this beautiful Killstar bat over here. And this is also faux leather, if you didn't know. It also has this little pocket on the back, just over here, so you can open it and put some nice stuff. 2 pockets on the sides, which is so cool because you know what? I always miss that in my backpack. I have just one outside pocket and it's like really tiny, so I can't put like everything in there, especially when I put my keys and my cell phone. So obviously they're just gonna rub each other and that's not good. So now I can put it like one over here and one over here, and that's absolutely fine. So let me open it for you, okay? Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah, okay, so that one also has longer strap, which probably I will be using because I like to have my bag like really low, if that makes any sense. Let me show you the inside of it. It's actually a very big bag. Like if you want to put like a lot of stuff in there, definitely that will be a good choice. So there's like a lot of things in there, and that one also have this little pocket over here when you can just, you know, put some, I don't know, sanitary pads, a little bit, you know, embarrassing stuff if you wish. And also 2 little pockets over here for, I don't know, cell phone and lipstick and lip gloss and things like that. I love it. I love it so much. Like, seriously, I'm like, yeah, I'm living for that bag right now. This is so cute. Oh, and also what I liked about it, when I saw it on the website, it has these little things over here. What are they? Are they buttons? How do you call them? So when you put it on the ground, which normally I prefer not to put my back on the ground, but even on the table, or when you're in the tube or something, you can just put it, you know, and it's not gonna touch directly the faux leather over here, so it's not gonna be damaged very quickly. Okay guys, so this is everything I wanted to show you in today's Killstar Haul video. So if you liked it, please give me this thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss any upcoming videos to my channel. So stay strong, be yourself, always improve and stay spooky. Thank you for watching this one and see you in the next one.